Well, in other news tonight, this is new at 11. The stained glass windows at Rochester's Meadow Brook Hall have been restored. Back in February, a vandal shattered two of the 96-year-old windows. The suspect has since been arrested and charged. Conservators fit the broken pieces back together using most of the original materials.
There was thousands of shards of glass. They actually had to painstakingly sort all of the colors of glass that we were able to recover and then fill in a few more spots. But you can tell by the coloring, it's beautiful work, spot on with all of the other windows, and they look amazing.